Well, you know what it's like. We all do it. I've just done it. I've been to a garden centre, seen this beautiful ginkgo tree. Now this tree dates back to prehistoric times. It's the last of the family of ginkgos and they're still alive today. How beautiful. But of course, it's not really the ideal time to plant trees in the middle of summer when obviously the supply of water is quite limited, and very hot days your tree can dry up. Whereas normal planting time for trees is either in spring or in autumn where there's plenty of moisture and the ground is quite warm. But if you are planting in summer, like I'm going to be doing here, you can give your trees an extra helping hand by having its own source of water being supplied just when it needs it. So if you forget a water, automatically it's doing it for you. Now this is the Irrigatia flat hose and you plant it just underneath the surface, right the way around the base of the tree, and that way water slowly seeps out of this flat hose, putting moisture just where the root ball is, where the plant needs it. So if you are investing on beautiful trees on summer days, this enables your tree to have the moisture it needs to establish itself and grow. For more information, just go to the website irrigatia.com.